Good day, investors. Welcome to Investdata Consulting Limited. My name is Johnson. I'm your host. Let's look at company's technical analysis as we drive in.
Welcome to your Equity Spotlight. Today, we break down the chart patterns of a newly listed corporate player on the bourse, Zichis Agro Allied Industries PLC.
Currently trading at 30 Naira per share, the newly listed agribusiness holds a strong buy rating, with mid to long-term targets projecting massive upside up to 58 Naira. Taking a macro look at the weekly chart, the stock is still resting comfortably within its very first Elliott wave, offering a prime accumulation window for discount value investors. The weekly oscillators reveal highly favorable conditions. Sellers are clearly backing out as bearish volume recedes, while deep underlying market liquidity and momentum remain strong. Drilling down to the daily chart, the price is moving through a WXY correction, carving out a tight asymmetric triangle pattern. A clean breakout past the upper trend line triggers a powerful buy signal. Applying Fibonacci extensions out of these fourth wave patterns, a swift rally toward 47 Naira 50 Kobo, with an extended bull run milestone sitting at 58 Naira 22. Perfecting this technical picture is a flawless fundamental profile. Zichis locks in a perfect 100% financial rating, making it an absolute gem for premium long-term portfolios. Catch these quiet institutional breakouts before the wider market drives them higher. Join our virtual Q3 masterclass on June 27th via Zoom. Text yes to 08028164085 now. For more updates on company's technical analysis, visit our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, like, comment, and share so that you don't miss out.